Good morning, students. How are you today? I say to you, stay home, stay safe. Our subject for this day is social studies. And our topic, the three jewels. But first, we're going to read the vocabulary words. Are you ready? Let's start. Step 1, we're going to pronounce the vocabulary and read the conversation. Vocabulary. Mathematics. Thousand, thousand, thousand. Hundreds, hundreds, hundreds. Value, value, value. Science. Minerals, minerals, minerals. Stem, stem, stem. Nutrient, nutrient, nutrient. Social studies. Wisdom, wisdom, wisdom. Passion, passion, passion. Pursue, pursue, pursue. Health education. Intellectual, intellectual, intellectual. Growth, growth, growth. Physical, physical, physical. Let's read the conversation. He wondered for some time. He wondered for some time. Very good. Step 2, dictation. I will say the words and you will read and spell it out on a piece of paper. Listen carefully as I dictate the words. Number 1, Buddhism. Write Buddhism. Buddhism. Number 2, religion. 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 Number 3, follower. 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 I'll give you some time to write. Okay, number 1, Buddhism. Spell Buddhism. 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 Number 2, religion. Religion. Spell Religion. 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 Number 3, follower. Follower. Spell FOLLOWER. E-R. Follower. Follower. Very good. Step 3. Listen introduction. Today we are going to learn the three jewels of Buddhism and the meaning of parinirvana. Step 4. Books open. We're going to read our lesson for today. Please open your social books on Unit 1, page 8. But if you don't have book, no worries, just follow the video and listen carefully. Words to learn for this lesson. Words to learn for this lesson. Wisdom. Wisdom. Spell W-I-S-D-O-M. Wisdom. Wisdom. Passion. Passion. Spell P-A-S-S-I-O-N. Passion. Passion. The last one. Individual. Individual. Spell I-N-D-I-V-I-D-U-A-L. Individual. Individual. What is the meaning of parinirvana? What is the meaning of parinirvana? Parinirvana means he ceased to be an individual. Again, parinirvana means he ceased to be an individual. Soon after his death, his followers evolved the three jewels which form the basic profession of faith for Buddhists. So parinirvana means which occurs upon the death of someone who has attained nirvana during his or her lifetime. What are the three jewels? What are the three jewels? So like I said, soon after his death, after the death of Siddhartha Gautama, he had followers, and the followers evolved into three jewels which form the basic profession of faith for Buddhism. So the question is, what are the three jewels that base on profession of faith of Buddhism? The first one is, I go for refuge to the Buddha. I go for refuge to the Buddha. So if you want to be a follower, if you want to be a follower of Buddha, you will say to yourself that you are a refugee. You will provide yourself to Buddha. You give all yourself to Buddha. Number 2, I go for refugee to the doctrine. I go for refugee for the doctrine. It means if you believe that Buddha is really exists, you need to know all the doctrines. It means the teaching. What is Buddha? What are the tradition? What are the basic belief that you need to learn every day? And number 3, I go for refugee to the order. I go for refugee to the order. So mostly every religion, every tradition, there are orders need to make. So if you want, or if you believe that Buddha, Siddhartha Gautama is really exists, you need to follow all the orders, all the tradition, all the belief that you need to learn the Buddhist religion. The Threefold Training. The Threefold Training. The Buddha identified the threefold training, or what we call Triseka, as training in. So as Buddha left, the followers must follow the basic training. The first one, they called it higher virtue, higher mind, and higher wisdom. The threefold training, the first one, we're going to discuss the higher virtue. It means this aims to improve one's behavior. So you need to train yourself to improve your personality, to improve your behavior as you follow the Buddha. The threefold training. Higher mind. The second training is what we call higher mind. What does it mean? It means this is about the training the mind to concentrate and persevere. You have a perseverance to continue whatever problem that you will face. You need to continue and have faith. The last training is higher wisdom. Higher wisdom. This aims to develop the right understanding that is the ability to see things as they really are. Some sort of this, you need to meditate. You need to develop your understanding. So you're not just a normal person now, and you can see in the world. But if you have this training, you will develop the higher understanding that no people can really reach for that. It's time for review. True or false? Number 1, there are 4 jewels which form the basic profession of faith for Buddhists. Again, there are 4 jewels which form the basic profession of faith for Buddhists. True or false? Okay, the answer is false. Very good. Next question. The Buddha identified the threefold training and it is called Triseka. Again, the Buddha identified the threefold training and it is called Treseka. True or false? Okay, very good. The answer is true. Very good. Number 3, the threefold training includes higher virtue, higher mind, and higher wisdom. Again, the threefold training includes higher virtue, higher mind, and higher wisdom. True or false? Very good. Those are correct. It's time for activity. Answer the following question. Number 1, what are the three jewels of faith for Buddhists? Again, what are the three jewels of faith for Buddhists? Number 2, what is the meaning of parinirvana? Again, what is the meaning of parinirvana? Number 3, what are the threefold training and also known as Treseka? Again, what are the threefold training and also known as Treseka? I'll give you some time to answer. Time's up. Step 5 Summary. Today we learn the three jewels of profession of faith for Buddhists and also the meaning of parinirvana. Thank you, students, and have a nice day.